Good morning, children. Let us start our session with a thought by Dada J.P. Vaswani. Stop complaining, start thanking. I repeat the thought. Stop complaining, start thanking.
Now see the third one, children. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. I repeat the question. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. Okay, here few seconds are given like this 870 seconds, some 965 seconds. Seconds are given that we have to convert into minutes and seconds. Okay, 1 minute equal to how many seconds, children? Is 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, or else we can write 60 seconds equal to 1 minute also we can write. So when you are converting the smaller unit to bigger unit, what we discussed previously, we have to divide. So here seconds is a smaller unit and minutes is a bigger unit, so you are converting seconds to minutes, right? So to convert seconds into minutes, we divide the number of seconds by 60. Why we are dividing by 60? Because 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, right? 870 seconds. What is the first one? 870 seconds. When you are converting into minutes, 870 divided by 60 minutes. Yes, 870 divided by 60 minutes. So you have to divide 870 by 60. Here we can take two digit number because 87 is greater than 60, right? How many times we can take, children? 62s are 120. So we'll go with ones. 61s are 60. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. Now 0 will come down. Yes. What is the nearest number for 270 in 60 table? Yes, children, very good. 64 is 240, right? Now 0 minus 0, 7 minus 4, 3. Now, what is the quotient here? 14 is the quotient, and what is the remainder here? 30 is the remainder. So, how many minutes, children, here? 14 minutes. How many seconds are left over? 30 seconds are left over. So, 30 seconds, right? Now, see the B1. What is the B1? 965 seconds. 965 seconds. So when you are converting 965 seconds into minutes, you have to divide by 60, right? Now we are dividing 965 by 60. Here can we take two digit, children? Yes, we can take. Why? Because 96 is greater than 60, so that we can take two digits. Now 60 ones are 60. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Now 5 will come down, right? How many times, children? What is the nearest number of 365 in 60 table? Yes, very good. 66, 360. Right. Now 5 minus 0, how much? 5. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. No need to write, children. So what is the quotient here? 16 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. So how many minutes here? 16 minutes. Yes, 5 seconds. Now look at C1. 1040 seconds. 1040 seconds means when you are converting into minutes, 1040 divided by 60 minutes. Yes. Now here if you are converting here with 60, we will divide 1040. Here we cannot take two digits, children. Why? Because 10 is less than 60, right? So we will take three digits here. Now how many times? Right, 60 ones are 60. 4 minus 0, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. Now 0 will come down. Yes, very good. 67s are 420. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the question here? 17. And what is the remainder here? 20. So 17 minutes. How many seconds left over, children? 20 seconds are left over. Very good. Now see D1. 1290 seconds. Can you do this one, children? Yes. Same, you need to divide by 60. 1290 divided by 60 minutes. Do the division with 60. Then whatever the quotient you are getting, that is the minutes, and how many seconds will be left over, like this. Remainder will be the seconds. Okay. So you have to do that and write the answer. Right. Look here, children. Fourth one. Manu spends 420 minutes every week walking in the morning. How many hours does he walk every week? Is who is there here? Manu. What he is doing, children? He is walking. Okay. He is walking every week in the morning. And he is walking, but how much time he is spending and walking? Is 420 minutes he is spending. Very good, children. Manu spends 420 minutes every week walking in the morning. Means throughout the week he is walking 420 minutes. Right. What is the question now? We'll see. How many hours does he walk every week? Here minutes is given. Okay. Every week how many minutes he walk is given. We have to find out how many hours. Means we have to convert. Yes. Minutes to hours. Very good, children. We have to convert this time 420 minutes to hours. We have to convert. Okay. Minutes is a smaller unit or hours is a smaller unit? Yes. Minutes is a smaller unit. So when you are converting minutes to hours, we have to divide by, yes. Very good, children. 60. By 60 we have to divide. Now see, we'll write the statement. How to write the statement? What he is doing and who is doing, that we need to understand, and how much time he is doing. According to that only we will write the statement. See what is given. How many hours means time. How many hours means what, children? That is time. He is mentioning about a time. So time Manu spends every week in the morning is equal to how many minutes, children? 420 minutes. Okay. Every week he spends in the morning is 420 minutes. Right. Now we have to convert into hours. Number of hours he walk every week. So 420 minutes we are converting into hours. So 420 divided by 60 hours. Right. Now we'll do the division. Okay. 420 by 60. How many times you will get 420, children? 6 sevens are 42, no? So 60 sevens are 420. If you are subtracting 420 minus 420, 0 you will get. Here 0 remainder. 0 remainder means here no minutes left over. Right? Completely we got hours. Okay? 7 hours. So what did you understand, children? Manu walks 7 hours every week in the morning. Okay? If he is walking 420 minutes every week, when you are converting into hours, how many hours you are getting? Yes, 7 hours you are getting. Manu walks 7 hours every week in the morning. Means how much time he is spending every day, children, in the morning? Yes? Yes, children. 1 hour. Okay? How many days a week has? 7 days. 7 days, 7 hours means 1 day, 1 hour. Means every day, 1 hour he is walking. Now look at fifth one. A bus stops at a station for 240 seconds. For how many minutes does it stop? Read again, children. A bus stops at a station. How many seconds it stops? 240 seconds. For how many minutes does it stop? Here he is asking how many minutes. Seconds he has given. We have to express in minutes. Means we have to convert seconds into minutes. Right? Again smaller to bigger. Means we have to divide. 1 minute equal to how many seconds, children? 60 seconds. So when you are converting seconds to minutes, you have to divide by 60. 240 divided by 60. First we will write the statement. For how many minutes does it stop? Okay. Means time. Number of seconds a bus stops at a station. How many seconds? 240 seconds. Now he is asking in minutes to find. So number of minutes the bus stops at the station equal to 240 divided by 60. Why? Because we are converting seconds into minutes, right? So 240 divided by 60. Then if you are converting 240 divided by 60 means divide 240 by 60. So how many times, children? Exactly at 4 times you will get 240. So 64s are 240, right? So here also we got the reminder as 0, means no minutes left over. No seconds left over. Sorry, no seconds left over. So how many minutes, children? 4 minutes. So the bus stops 4 minutes at the station. How much time it stops, children? 4 minutes at the station. I hope you all understood well. Watch the videos and complete your classwork, children. Okay? Thank you, children. Dada Sham.